Yeah, SADC, we plead with you, don't give the chairmanship to E.T. Mnangagwa. You do have the sham election 223 in August, which you said they were sham elections. Hence now, we citizens of Zimbabwe.
Masquera say Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kangarike kutanka kukuya panini channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Wanachungwa garoka subscriber. Don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Zimbabwe, takuigira inya ya buditswa. Ne Newsday iyo ya Buda. Istora iyo ichiti President Emerson Mnangagwa ne government and they are sweating over a possible protest anogona kuitika during the Southern African Development Community Summit iyo irikuitwa next month muri Zimbabwe. Tufunga pane nyaya dzekubuda zirikunzi ma security agencies are now on high alert kuitira kuti vaonekwe vachidhila na anyone achangari involved ma protest ari kufungidzirwa kunzi ada kuitwa muri Zimbabwe. President Emerson Mnangagwa avo vari kuassume the rotational chairmanship the SADC region bloc. Varkunzi is using this summit to rubber stamp victory yavo last year in my elections. Akati nitse yakaonekwa the SADC election observer the SADC election observer mission stora iyo ichiti they failed my elections they failed to meet the minimum standards hold a free, fair and credible election muri Zimbabwe. The summit irikuitwa the new parliament building Mount Upton. It is scheduled for 17 and 18 August. So the Home Affairs and Cultural Heritage Minister Kazembe wakabuda vachipa warning to anyone arikuplota in arrest during the SADC summit. Vakabuda vachitora ivo vachiti kana pane munhu arikuronga kana pane vanhu varikuronga kuita ma protest, they should know that the security sector will deal with them accordingly. Chinzi president vakataura ivo vachiti vanhu varifana kunge vari peaceful and welcome to my visitors achanga achivisitira Zimbabwe. Vakabuda vachiraya vachiti if there is someone who is planning lawlessness during the SADC summit, be warned that the security sector will deal with you accordingly. The president said we should be peaceful and welcome our visitors cheerfully, said Kazembe. President Wakabuda Shtaura during the burial ya Brigadier General Michael Chaminuka Mnangagwa wakakurudzira vanhu kuti vaonekwe vachiva peaceful during the summit uyezve vanokwachi gamuchiro ma visitors in a way yakanaka. Wakabuda vachiti I equally encourage all Zimbabweans to continue working hard to ensure a peaceful, safe and welcoming environment for visiting delegates with unity of purpose across the various sectors. Let us collectively bear the weighty responsibility which hosting this important summit entails. Vakabuda vachitaura vakataura zvakare vachiti Zimbabwe was a maturing constitutional democracy focus on promoting and consolidating its position in the Committee of Nations muri Zimbabwe. Vakakumbira ma-stakeholders ese ma-private sector stakeholders nama-partners em-government kuti vawange vachicreate an ambience and cleanliness and beauty the city of Harare vachigamba vachiprepare for the SADC summit irikuitwa. So the government ndofunga yakainvesta mari yakati one day in trying to make the image yeZimbabwe ionekere. Ndofunga takaona ma-roads ari kugadzirwa ari kulead to the venue chaitwa the SADC summit, where ma-hotels they are being refurbished kuti awanikwe achigadziriswa. Asi maZimbabweans ari kuchema achiti the government should focus on improving the lives evanhu, not kufocus on kuimpressa ma neighboring countries nema-SADC countries. This summit iyo chienda kare the Human Rights Watch yabuda ichiaccusa President Emerson Mnangagwa and his administration nenyaya yekuweaponize the criminal justice against the ruling political opponents. Vachara ivo achichema nekusungwa kurikuitwa ma-opposition members funga the director at Human Rights Watch Alan Ngari vakabuda chara iwo vachiti the government of President Mnangagwa is accelerating its crackdown against legitimate and peaceful activism ahead of the August summit. The SADC needs to engage with the authorities to take clear measures to ensure the enjoyment of basic freedoms by all Zimbabweans. And funga takaona musi wa June 16 the Zimbabwe Republic Police ikaonekwa ichireida private home ya Jameson Timber pakuonekwa pachisungwa vanhu 70 vazhinji vakunzi they were young vari Zimbabwe and zvina kupera mushe nanhasi these guys vachiri vakavhariwa mujeri. Ndafunga lawyer wavo akabuda achitaura iyo achiti the youth opposition they were having a braai kumba wa Jameson Timber vachicommemorate June 16 the day of the African child. Pakwatiri kuita zvamira mushe musi wa 27 June magistrate akavarambira harare magistrate akavarambira bail achitaura achiti akavareleasa they were likely going to commit the similar offense kana akavareleasa muri Zimbabwe. President Mnangagwa akabuda achitaura last month at a ZANU-PF meeting machiti he was aware of certain rogue elements within the nation and these rogue elements they aimed at baiting on peddling falsehoods and instigating acts of civil disorder, especially before, during and after the regional and world stage events. Because is ready to deal with these rogue elements. So there are people who demonstrate the activists akasungwa opposition they should be released immediately. The people are going to protest. They want President Mnangagwa to assume the role of SADC chair by Zimbabwe. So President Mnangagwa is saying he's going to deal with anyone at on watch Pinham streets. Tinazobununa saying itudzezwa mukufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi comment section.
Don't give the chairmanship to E.T. Mnangagwa. You do have the sham election 223 in August, which you said they were sham elections. Hence now, we citizens of Zimbabwe, we are now worried. You seem to be forgetting this report which stated clearly that those elections were stolen. So may you please help us. We do have our Senator Jameson Timber. He's in jail as we speak for no reason, for he didn't commit any crime. So we plead with you. We are in dire need of your help. We have sent a petition to the British Prime Minister for the same cause. Please, SADC, think of the innocent people. We don't have any pill in all our hospitals. The public funds are being stolen. Just imagine, people are suffering. So if you come to Zimbabwe and you give the chairmanship to Mnangagwa, that means you have disregarded our plea. Thank you.
Okay, anyone else to say something?
Okay. Yeah. All right. Today I stand with you. Okay. Today I stand before you with a heavy heart, yet with hope burning brightly in my soul. Since our beloved Zimbabwean gained independence in 1980, we have endured countless hardships and witnessed acts of unimaginable cruelty and injustice. These are the echoes of painful past still resonate in our daily lives. But to reclaim our destiny, our actions